Hi friends, welcome to International Maths Olympiad videos, section standard 10, video number 36, Arithmetic Progression, section A, easy. Let's start. Find the sum of the first 20 terms of an AP whose Tn equals to 7 minus 3n. Means what? Tn is given, the nth term is given, and we have to find the sum of the 20 terms. Okay. So what is the formula for Sn? Sn equals to n upon 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d, right? A is first term, n is the nth term, and d is the common difference. Now what is given? What do we require basically? 20 terms, sum of the 20 terms. So n will be 20. Okay, a is the first term, and therefore now next is what? Tn. Tn is given as 7 minus 3n, right? So T1 will be what? 7 minus 3 into 1, right? N is 1, so 4, that is A. And then T2 will be 7 minus 3 into 2, that is 6. 7 minus 6, 1, right? Now we got the first term and the second term. See here, why are we doing all this thing? Because we want this Sn. What do we require for Sn? N, A and D. We have got N. Now we have got A. Now we are trying to find out D. Okay. D is what? The common difference, means difference between the term 2 and the term 1. So 1 minus 4, 3 minus 3, that is D. So D equals to T2 minus T1, that is 1 minus 4 equals to minus 3. Now it's easy. Sn equals to 20 upon 2 into, say this, 20 upon 2 into A1, or A you can write it. So 2 into 4 plus 20 minus 1 into minus 3. Solve this. 8 minus 19 into 3, right, into 10. So solve this again. You get minus 490. So sum is minus 490. Next, if the ninth term of an AP is... To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuvaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha, plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.